Welcome back to Top 10 International Desserts You'll Love. Warm greetings, sweet-toothed foodies and vegan enthusiasts alike. Today we're delving into the world of international desserts, focusing on a Middle Eastern favorite, the tantalizing kunafa. Traditionally, kunafa is a rich, syrupy dessert made with shredded phyllo dough and a variety of fillings. It's a staple in many Middle Eastern countries, savored during special occasions and celebrations. But fear not, our version today is going to be a little different. We're giving this classic dessert a plant-based twist, creating an irresistible vegan kunafa that's just as delightful. We'll be using vegan butter, raw cashews, and other plant-based ingredients to create a dessert that's not only sweet and satisfying but also kind to our planet. So, are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure to the Middle East without leaving your kitchen? Your sweet journey begins now. First off, gather all the ingredients needed for this vegan delight. Let's start with the star of the show, the shredded phyllo dough, also known as katefi. You'll need 1 package of this unique ingredient. Next, you'll require 1 cup of vegan butter, melted to perfection. This will help give our kunafa that crispy golden texture we all crave. Moving on, we need 2 cups of raw cashews, finely ground. This will be the heart of our filling, offering a rich, nutty flavor. Pair that with 1 cup of semolina to add a delightful graininess to our filling. To sweeten things up, we'll use 1 cup of sugar. But don't worry, we're balancing it with the zest of 1 orange and a tablespoon of lemon juice for a citrusy kick. Lastly, don't forget the teaspoon of vanilla extract for an added depth of flavor and chopped pistachios for a colorful, crunchy garnish. With all the ingredients at hand, we are set to start our sweet culinary journey. Now, the real fun begins as we start preparing our vegan kunafa. First, we'll prepare the kunafa dough. In a large bowl, gently separate the shredded phyllo dough strands using your fingers. This can be a bit tricky, but patience is key. Once you've untangled the strands, pour over the melted vegan butter and toss until every strand is well coated with buttery goodness. Now, it's time to create the kunafa base. Press half of the buttered phyllo dough into the bottom of a baking dish. Be sure to form an even layer as this will be the foundation of your dessert. Next up, we prepare the filling. In a separate mixing bowl, combine finely ground raw cashews, semolina, sugar, a splash of lemon juice, a hint of vanilla extract, and the zest of 1 orange. Mix these together until well combined. The result? A tantalizing filling that's bursting with flavor and texture. Now comes the layering. Spread your cashew mixture evenly over the phyllo dough layer. This filling is what gives our vegan kunafa its distinct, delectable flavor, so make sure it's spread evenly. Once your filling is in place, it's time to add the top layer. Cover the cashew mixture with the remaining buttered phyllo dough. This layer seals in the filling and gives the kunafa its signature crispy top. Now we're ready to bake our creation to perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degree F or 180 degree C if you're using a Celsius oven. Bake the kunafa in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it's golden brown and crispy. While our kunafa is baking, let's prepare the sugar syrup. Combine sugar and water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Then let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Allow it to cool. This syrup will add a sweet, sticky finish to our dessert. Once the kunafa is out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled sugar syrup over the hot pastry. This ensures the syrup is evenly distributed and absorbed, giving our dessert its moist, sweet interior. After drizzling, let the kunafa cool for a bit. Then, sprinkle chopped pistachios on top. Not only do the pistachios add a pop of color, but they also provide a delightful crunch, contrasting beautifully with the soft, sweet layers beneath. Finally, slice your vegan kunafa into squares, serve and savor every bite of your homemade sweet, nutty delight. Voila! You've just mastered the art of making vegan kunafa. Now it's time for the best part, tasting your homemade vegan kunafa. Imagine the first bite. The golden, buttery strands of phyllo dough are crispy and light, giving way to the rich, creamy filling of ground cashews and semolina. It's sweet, but not overpoweringly so, thanks to the balance brought by a hint of lemon and the aromatic orange zest. The sugar syrup adds an extra layer of sweet delight, making your vegan kunafa moist and perfectly sweetened. And let's not forget the slight crunch of chopped pistachios sprinkled on top. It's a symphony of textures and flavors in each bite, a true testament to the culinary wonder that is kunafa. But this isn't just any kunafa. This is a vegan version, a sweet plant-based delight that you've made yourself. Now imagine sharing this delightful dessert with your loved ones. Picture their faces lighting up as they savor the sweet, nutty goodness of your homemade vegan kunafa. See their surprised smiles when you tell them it's vegan. a testament to the fact that plant-based food can be just as indulgent and satisfying as its traditional counterparts. This is the joy of cooking, of exploring international cuisines, and of embracing a plant-based lifestyle. It's about creating delicious food that is kind to our bodies, to animals, and to our planet. It's about sharing these creations with others and inspiring them to do the same. So, savor your vegan kunafa. Savor the accomplishment of creating something so delightful from scratch. And most importantly, savor the joy of sharing this sweet plant-based delight with your loved ones. Remember to share your vegan kunafa cooking experience in the comments section. We can't wait to hear from you. And always remember, let vegan treats be your sweet escape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!